how to set favorite channels or how to organize channels by favorites on YouTube TV. So if you want to organize channels by favorite or if you want to customize the channels that you see in YouTube TV, then what you need to do is you just need to simply open up your YouTube TV application, or you can go with the browser and you can open up your YouTube TV. So the first step you need to do is head over to tv.youtube.com on your device, or simply open up your live TV or open up your YouTube TV. And the second step you need to do is click on the profile photo and hit the settings option. And the third step is you need to check for a live guide option. So you can simply click on the live guide. And fourth step is you need to go through the channel guide and choose what you want to hide by clicking the hide icon. You can also add channels to your favorites by hitting the up arrow icon. So here you will have up arrow icon. You can simply click on it and then you can add them to the favorites. And you can change the order of your remaining channels by dragging the move icon to the left of each channel title. And you can follow the exact same steps on your mobile device also. Rather than hidden icons, you'll find check marks that will activate or deactivate a channel on your device. Once you hide the channels you don't want, change the order and set your top choices, you'll have a customized YouTube TV channel section. If you happen to add more channels by upgrading a package, you may want to come in again and set your preferences once more. Otherwise, this will stay as it is until you change it. So in this way, you can customize or organize channels by favorites. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.